Welcome to MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. I'm Jason Chapman, and today I'm here to show you our 2009 Mastercraft X-45. Taking a look at the bow here, this is a pickle fork bow. You do have a stairway here that deploys from the bow to get in and off the boat. This boat does come with a trailer here. It's got a pretty red metal flake, black and white hull bottom. And as we take a look at the tower, it's a zero flex tower. We've got your board racks there and then 4 tower speakers. It also has a bimini top that goes forward as well. And as we walk down towards the stern of the boat, got a big swim platform here with a grab handle to get in and out of the boat. This does have an Ilmor 400 horsepower engine. Let's go inside and check out the interior of the boat. Welcome inside our 2009 Mastercraft X-45. Back here towards the stern, we do have ballast on this boat for your wake surfing, and then also additional ballast bags back here as well. Couple tow points here, right here and up on top of the zero flex tower. Board racks on either side that do rotate outwards and inwards. And this boat is powered by JL Audio. We've got 4 speakers up here, subwoofers, speakers all around the boat. Great sound quality and a perfect boat to be with your friends and family out here on the water in Minnesota. Taking a look at the interior, we do have some white, red, and black upholstery to match the exterior of the boat. This does have snap-in carpet. You can easily take that out, clean the decking, and then snap that back into place. And as we walk into the boat, we do have a cooler underneath here, plenty of storage for your boards and other items underneath this seat as well. We've got cup holders all around, nice big oversized captain's chair with a bolster. You can easily sit on top of that and watch what's going on behind the boat. And nice helm station here to control your ballast, and it also has your standard tacks up here as well. Moving in to the bow of the boat, we do have an air dam right here, and also your windshield that locks securely into place. And then up here in the bow, the entertainment side doesn't end, as we have plenty of seating up here and storage underneath the seats. Again, this is a 2009 Mastercraft X-45 located here in Rogers, Minnesota. The boat comes with a trailer. It's in excellent condition. Please give us a call, walk in, and we'd love to show you around. Thanks.